Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Shar, and today we are stuffing $940 in my wallet and my sinking funds. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my wallet. And the first envelope is my spending, and we are doing $40 today. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, and 40. In eating out, we are doing 30. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. In groceries, we're doing 175. Okay, so this should be 175. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 30, 40, 150, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, and 175. In home, we are doing 25 today. So it's 25. In fuel, we're doing 160. All right, let's see if I did this correctly. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 151, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 160. And in miscellaneous, we are just doing 5 ones today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in medicine, we are doing 30. Okay, so now in medicine, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 111, 112, and 113. And I actually refill my meds next week. And that is it for my wallet. Okay, so jumping in to this binder, I've condensed my stuff into 2 small binders. So annual pay is getting 40. And I went ahead and took that $100 out to pay my annual subscription. So now we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 195, 196, 197. And car insurance, we are doing 60. So now in car insurance, we have 500 in the bank, 550, 600, 650, 700, 720, 740, 750, and 760. And I've already gotten my statement, or run, if I can talk, I've gotten my renewal notice for my next 6 months for my insurance. And I was trying to get like $880, but it actually came in at 753. So I actually have enough to go ahead and renew my 6 months. I think it's give me the option I can pay for it now. So I think I will do that probably in the middle of August. Go ahead and pay for it. I'm waiting till this last monthly payment clears and that's taken out, which is on the 13th. And then I think I'll pay my 6 months. And then we'll just start working on the next 6 months. Car tags is getting 10. So now in car tags, we have 20, 40, 50, and 55. And I think for the next car that's up, I think it's in February. I want to say it's like $70 for 2 years. I mean, I need to get inspection too. So I think if I get to 100, I should be good. Or even 90, I should be fine. Property tax is getting 10. So property tax has 20, 40, 50, and 55. And then I believe in September, I need to bump this one up to get to at least 200. Therapy is getting, it's 30. So in therapy, we now have 100 in the bank, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 235, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So 239. And then in school, we are, I really need to condense this badly. 125. So that is 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, and 125. Okay, so now in school we have 50, 100, 50, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 470, 480, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So we have 495. And I do believe, what did I say? 700, so like 200 more and I'll be good. Car upkeep is getting 25 today. So in car upkeep, we have 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 180, and 185. Forgot to put this tracker back in. Okay. Dental, we're not doing. Medical is getting 10, I believe. Yes. So in medical, we now have 50, 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, and 170. Y'all, I still ain't made my eye appointment. Okay, so the rest of that is not getting stuff. And then going to our last binder, I think it's just a few. So self-care is getting 5. Nope. Self-care is getting 65. So now self-care has 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. And I'm actually going tomorrow to get new polish on my nails. Wardrobe is getting 10. So wardrobe has a $50 gift card. So 50, 70, 80, 90, and 95. Toiletries is getting 10. So now in toiletries, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 110. And then yard work is getting 60. So now we have 20, 40, 60, and 65. I already see a mistake because I don't know why I got that dollar sitting there. Christmas is getting 10. Well, I got more than that. I'm missing a 5. Christmas has 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120, and 125. So I think I messed up. I guess I should have took out 945. Whatever. Thanksgiving is getting 5. So the only one that's not going to get stuff today is Halloween was supposed to get 5 just for the candy that I put in my office for those couple of days. So it's not going to get, or maybe I could just put the dollar in there. So we have 20, 40, 45, and 50. So we still did our 940. We have an extra dollar. I'm going to put that back in the bank. And that was very quick. We are done with our cash stuffing of our sinking funds in our wallet. And that was awesome. So next up, I need to work on getting my August monthly budget done. I do know that 2 of my bills have increased. I've gotten emails for those. I'm going to cancel a subscription. And then I also need to film my debt update. And I'm excited for that one because, honey, some numbers is going down. Huge numbers. Okay. So 2 more videos will be coming out here shortly. But until then, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye.